I was never built for straight lines. My pace, my terms, my way, my destination, if any. It comes with a risk, yes. A risk I'm willing to take. Because it makes me feel alive. Freedom is my favorite habit. But when it comes to daily life, risking it for the biscuit isn't always a given. Which is weird, because if you make a mistake on your motorcycle, your life could be over in a second. If you make a mistake in life, in most cases, you learn. Maybe the biggest risk of all is to not take any risks. Riding makes me feel alive, just like creating does. And that combination sparked something in me. Some would call me greedy or even delusional. But I didn't want to feel free only on Sundays, when I was out on two wheels. I wanted to make life a ride. See, I don't think the person you become when you put your helmet on is someone else. That badass motherfucker, smiling from ear to ear while he's making his way through the twisties. That's you, when the world is no longer telling you who you should be. It's not a midlife crisis. It's a calling. At some point in your life, someone close to you will tell you not to buy a motorcycle. It is very important that you don't listen. Become who you are, Nietzsche. There's this Chinese proverb that a twisted tree lives its own life and a straight tree gets turned into wood. Still, we compromise with ourselves on the things we want to do. Why? Because being real also comes with a risk. If you improve, you risk outgrowing people. If you speak your truth, you risk being misunderstood. If you carve your own path, you risk carving it alone from time to time. If you ride a motorcycle, you risk everything. Maybe somewhere along the way we made a silent decision that it's just easier to fit in. After all, that is what most people are doing. Yeah. But it is no measure of health to be well adjusted to a profoundly sick society. J. Krishnamurti. I think I will take my chances in the twisties. The things you lose while being real is usually fake anyway. But if freedom comes with such a high risk, why bother? Because the alternative comes with a risk too. The world is full of people suffering from the effects of their own unlived life. They become bitter, critical or rigid, not because the world is cruel to them, but because they have betrayed their own inner possibilities. The artist who never makes art becomes cynical about those who do. The lover who never risks loving mocks romance. The thinker who never commits to a philosophy sneers at beliefs itself. And yet, all of them suffer, because deep down they know the life they mock is the life they were meant to live. Carl Jung. So if the cost of not going for it means suffering bitterness for the rest of your life, maybe go for it?